Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to unlock the secrets to making money using artificial intelligence, the internet, and various digital platforms, then you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, so you never miss out on valuable content. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, AI, has opened up an array of opportunities to make money, from developing AI-driven applications to automation services that save businesses time and money. The first secret is to leverage AI for automating repetitive tasks. For instance, you can create chatbots for customer service or use machine learning algorithms to analyze data and predict trends. Online platforms like Amazon and eBay offer great opportunities to distribute AI-powered tools to a global audience. Next, let's talk about the gig economy. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer AI-based services such as data analysis, predictive modeling, and even custom software development. Building a profile showcasing your skills and successful projects can attract high-paying clients. Speaking of platforms, don't overlook the power of social media. You can make money by creating content around AI topics, sharing your expertise through videos, blogs, or podcasts. By growing your audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Blogging remains a powerful tool as well. If you have a knack for writing, start a blog focusing on AI technology and its applications. With good SEO practices, you can attract a steady stream of visitors and monetize through ads, sponsored posts, or even selling your own AI-related courses and ebooks. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue. By promoting AI software, tools, and platforms, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. Consider creating tutorial videos about these tools to provide value and boost your affiliate earnings. Speaking of value, if you have a deep understanding of AI, you might consider creating your own online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera are perfect for this. Well-structured, comprehensive courses can generate a substantial income, as more people are eager to learn about AI. Now, let's not forget the power of software as a service, SaaS. Developing AI solutions that solve specific problems for businesses can be highly profitable. Subscription models ensure recurring revenue, and as more companies digitize, the demand for AI solutions keeps growing. Finally, consider delving into the world of investments. AI-driven algorithms can help you analyze stock markets, identify trends, and make informed trading decisions.